Hi, y'all. I'm Redheaded Neighbor, and welcome today to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here. So, I'm going to be checking out this song, Cold Wind by Buck Dharma. Now, it's my understanding that he is from Blue Oyster Cult. So, I'm curious to see how much of the sound transfers between the solo act and the band. So, let's check it out. Deep.
She wears a ring and he has no business feeling this way. But oh, what a love affair that could be if only they could see themselves together. It might have been better if he hadn't seen her today. They spoke their pleasantries, but he was looking at the light behind her eyes. His mind tells him it can never be, but his heart refuses to believe it's true. Oh, a cold wind blows on the empty-hearted, and it chills right to the bone. And the cool head knows when love's departed.
Nice. Nice. I'm liking this a lot. So definitely I'm seeing the amount of influence this man had because dang, minus the drums.
Late at night he has the dream, the two of them walking along the stream of blue. A soft breeze blows her summer dress, he stops to brush the hair from her face. Then they hold each other for the very first time, and they look into each other's eyes and see. Oh, but a cold wind blows on the empty-hearted, and it chills right to the bone. And the cool head knows when love's departed.
Out of 10. So also the last verse, I really feel like you can feel like that heat, that tension between the two imaginary figures there, because that was him and his imagination with her, right? Yeah.
Silently, do not disturb the others in their sleep. Slowly he descends the stairs and in a darkened room sits alone. And wonders, could it be that she is seeking something to believe in too? A cold wind blows on the empty-hearted.
very well written. Very well written because as far as the story goes within the song, neither of them are alone because he leaves the others upstairs. I'm assuming, I guess, did they say upstairs? But anyway, he leaves them and he goes and he sits in alone in a room, dark, all by himself. So he has sequestered himself, I guess, with his thoughts and his feelings here, and um, wondering, I guess, if she's doing the same. And you have this will they or won't they tension within the storytelling, which is brilliant, especially along with the guitar parts, because it just spirals and then it pulls itself back in, reins itself back in, and even has a couple of like blocking places. So it's like a sound. I don't know how to describe. I don't know how to explain it, but it happens, and to me, that's almost like reining your thoughts back in. Going back logical or something. But the sound of the band, I see where it comes from. I mean, don't you? Very much so. And for the first time, well, maybe not the first time, but to me, I kind of got a bit of a Toto sound here. Anybody else? Yeah, I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. And yeah, well done. Well done. So until the next time, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you thought about the reaction and let me know what you thought about this song. And did you like this solo work? I think it sounded fantastic personally. So until the next time that I see you here on the interwebs, bye bye.